Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles from the top right side of the screen like this, which gives us a guide the first time around. And we're going to look for a screen recorder, which for me is right here in the corner. So once you see yours, simply press on it. It gives us a couple options like record device sound, or microphone, and also touch inputs. I'm going to enable the touch inputs just so you can see how that looks like. From there you can select start. It will start at a 3-second countdown, at which point it will start recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded, obviously. And once you've finished, you can click right here, once more, and this will save the screen recording to our Photos application, which should be in the Google folder. There we go, Photos. Let's allow. And you can see it right over here. So there is this dot that I was speaking of. So this just shows where I was pressing my finger. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.